In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move/reschedule a Deferit payment. We'll walk through the exact screens to change an upcoming installment date, plus a few quick tips so everything updates smoothly. Start by opening the Deferit app on your phone or head to the website in a browser. Sign in if you're prompted. The process is the same in both places and you won't lose any information by switching devices. Once you're in, navigate to the area that lists your active bills. Depending on your layout, this will be labeled My Bills or Payments. You should see each bill with its next installment amount and due date. Choose the payment you want to move. Tap into that bill to open its details. Take a second to review the current schedule, any remaining installments, and the amount due. If a payment can't be changed, like when you're very close to the due date, you may see a notice. In that case, try a different installment or contact support for options. Look for the button that says Change Date or Reschedule. Select it, and a calendar or list of eligible dates will appear. Pick the new date that lines up with your cash flow. Many people choose the day after payday. Avoid weekends or bank holidays if your bank sometimes delays transfers. If you see limits like a maximum number of reschedules or the latest date allowed, that's normal and based on your plan's rules. Before you finalize, review the summary. Make sure the new date and installment amount are correct, and check whether any fee or interest applies to moving the payment. If everything looks good, confirm to save the change. You might be asked to agree to updated terms for this bill. Read them quickly so there are no surprises. After confirming, return to your schedule and verify the update. The new due date should be visible in My Bills or Payments, and you'll usually get an in-app or email confirmation. If you don't see the change, refresh the page, close and reopen the app, or sign out and back in. One more tip, if you use automatic payments, the charge will attempt on the new date, so update an expired card ahead of time. Time zones matter too. Dates are processed in your account region, and late cutoff times can push a same-day change to the next business day. If the reschedule button is missing, the payment may already be processing. Wait for the status to clear and try again. And for peace of mind, set a reminder a day or two before the new date. That's it. Your Deferit payment is successfully rescheduled.